Gifted talents ang nagpakitang gila sa second day ng Miss Saigon auditions ngayong araw. Ang nag-audition nating kapuso na si Rachel Ann Go, abot langit ang tuwa nang makatanggap ng callback. Makishika kay Kata Tibayan.
Mas tumitindi ang kompetisyon sa ikalawang araw ng auditions para sa talent pool ng upcoming revival ng Miss Saigon. Ayon sa production panel, marami raw sila nakikita na may mga potensyal.
Flying halfway around the world and seeing some very lovely talent. So this is a really good time just to search, see what we can do, and then take back all the good news of all the good people we found.
Sa mahigit na 4 na raang nag-audition sa araw na ito, marami ang nag-stand out sa itsura at kanya-kanyang pakulo. Ang Singaporean director na si Hosan Leong, nagbihis ala the engineer ng Miss Saigon.
If you really want the role, you research, you dress the part, you go for it. I need room to flex my muscles in an ocean where the big sharks feed.
Ang isang ito, tila haharanahin ang panel sa dalang gitara.
It's not actually a Miss Saigon piece, so if it works well, hopefully they'll get me to sing a Saigon piece, so we'll see.
Hindi rin nawala ngayong araw ang mga theater veterans na sumubok din mag-audition. Kabilang na riyan si June Ofracio na naging bahagi na rin ng Miss Saigon 2 dekada na ang nakaraan. Pero sa pagkakataon na ito, minimithita niya ang papel na The Engineer o Tuy.
Actually quite happy to see them again, like Stephen Brooker and Joff. Every time it's staged, it's a totally different thing again. So the experience for me would be something different, something fresh.
Sa araw na ito, nag-audition din ang kapuso singer na si Rachel Ann Go. Kabado si Rachel habang di pa tinatawag. Pero nang matapos ang audition,
siya nanginginig ako. Ayun, pinakanta na nila agad. Tapos, short lang eh. Naiyak ako. Short lang naman yung kinanta. Tapos, ayun, tapos pinapabalit na later. Nasa isip ko, kailangan hindi ako pumiyok.
Hanggang sa Huwebes na lang ang auditions at payo ni Stephen Brooker at ng international production team na Miss Saigon.
Be very, very aware of what you're singing about. It's not just about music, it's about drama. And in the world of theatre, if you're singing with no emotion, it doesn't mean anything.
Kata Tibayan updated sa Showbiz Happenings.